Hey, happy Women's Day. Today, I want to discuss the potential health hazards of not replacing or cleaning your broken HVAC system in early summer. As a physician, I have witnessed numerous cases where people have ignored their HVAC systems, leading to severe consequences for their health. One of the primary concerns is poor indoor air quality. A faulty or poorly maintained HVAC system can accumulate allergens, dust, and other pollutants in your home, causing respiratory issues such as asthma, allergies, and even lung infections. Moreover, if your HVAC system is not functioning properly, it can create a moisture buildup in your home, leading to the growth of mold and mildew. This can result in various health issues, from respiratory problems to skin irritations. It is crucial to replace or repair your HVAC system as soon as possible to avoid these health risks. Don't wait until the situation becomes critical. Take action early to ensure the safety and health of your family. Therefore, contact Ville for buying or replacing HVAC systems with financing support and grants before early summer arrives. They also provide repair, maintenance, and HVAC cleaning services to homeowners in and around Montreal, Quebec. So, call them now and save you, your family members and lovely pets. Have a fantastic day.